Guys, are you struggling with CAC? If you want to learn my 5 secrets to reduce CAC by at least 30% in the next 90 days, attend this workshop. It is on 5th October. It's a Sunday morning, 11 a.m. for 2 hours. 1 hour will be dedicated to live question and answers. Okay. There are only 20 seats, only 20 because I don't want this to be uh, confusion. So 20 seats come for this workshop. Okay. Hear others' questions because that's how digital marketers and performance marketers learn. Okay. And it will be on Google Meet. It's a Sunday morning, 11 a.m. And there are plenty of strategies, tactics, even tips which you can learn from. I'll be hosting the workshop, and yeah, if you want to learn anything, visit this page, look at the FAQs. If you have any questions, I'm sure this page will have most of the answers for this workshop. Again, 5th October, Sunday, 11 a.m. Be there. Cheers.